I think winning takes on multiple definitions within fast slow motion. There's the obvious answer where, winning could mean, winning a new client, winning over their confidence, winning over their trust. And, we don't take that as kind of a W so much as a testament to our ability to, present ourselves in a professional light, present our expertise and experience.
I think winning has a direct correlation with striving for excellence. I think when you're pursuing excellence in everything that you do, the outcome of that, not always, but is often winning. I think failure is a big part of that as well. I think winning and failure go hand in hand. In order to win, you have to, one, strive for excellence, you have to take risk, and you do have to fail. And I think when you do the three of those things and you continue to pursue what you know is right, I think you end up in a winning position.
Winning is very important, but it's also important that we win the right way, and that the journey along the way is to winning is laid out appropriately, and that we have the ability to do the things that we do the right way.
So winning, to me, I always come to mind with a very common Navy SEAL slogan, and it's that it pays to be a winner. And what that really means, more than any sort of cockiness, is the idea that there are certain fruits that come from that labor, that it may take you a little extra effort to be at the top of your game, but when you're at the top of your game, everything else comes easier, the results come more consistently. And so I think that having that at the forefront of what we do, the reason we keep getting better is because winning is always the focus. We are always making sure we're on the top of our game, rather than, maybe this was okay, we'll do it next time. That's not something we can stand, and so having that bar raised high, I think, makes everybody work better.
So one of the central guiding principles at Fast Slow Motion is winning. To me, winning means to do the right thing at the right time in the right way.
Winning is important because without winning, you can't have the impact, you can't have the flexibility. The winning empowers us to be the blessing. The winning empowers us to make the impact. The winning affords us the flexibility. We're here to win, and we do.